Well, it's time. We're gonna attempt some corn. It is just a crappy day out. It's like 3 degrees, but gotta start sometime. Next couple days actually supposed to go up to like 17 on Friday and 20 for the weekend, but might as well start, see if we can get the dryer going. I'm gonna hook to a set of wagons. Wes is gonna bring the buggy out and see if we can make some magic happen. So the wagons are in place for right now. Once he opens this up, there's a laneway that way, and I'll use it. I think he's just getting his settings ready. We'll pop in and just kind of see what we're gonna see. Cold out now. So I'm out. I'm just doing a walk. I like to do a walk just to check the job that we're doing. It's quicker for me to do it than him. Kind of looking at the ground, seeing what we see. It's looking not too bad. As for kernels on the ground, if you guys do see one, let me know. Get rid of that weed. Giant ragweed, that's no good. See, there's a kernel there, but if you're blowing out the back, you can, a little harder when the stock stompers push these down, but you can always see it in the kernels or just on top of the blanket. But as a whole, I think it's doing pretty good. So I'm gonna hitchhike a ride here with Wes and get back up to the wagons. So I guess, well, I got a few minutes here. I think earlier in some of my videos we were talking about tar spot coming in. So you can see now tar spot has came in. I don't know if it affected yield or not, but it's just something you notice. Get this sweet piece warming up. I'll get you. Okay, well, it's just raining a little bit too hard out there, so I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we're going to get back at it, and we'll get this dryer fired up, and corn season has started. See you in the morning. Good morning. Gotta have to hit the button. Possibly get the batteries on the charger. There we are. We're just kind of setting things up, greasing the buggy, quickly going over the combine. I just checked the fluids on that. We're gonna let her warm up. The old Massey, let her get going. But we have the first problem of the day. My dryer won't start, so I'm just waiting for somebody to come here to fix it. And well, yeah, fix it. It just won't run. So communication issues or something like that above my pay grade. So either way, it doesn't matter. We can still go get a couple more wagon loads of corn because the wet bin still has lots of room in it. So let's go do that. Actually, that worked out. So I was gonna go to the field, but Owen and Wes went, and MFA just showed up, and we got her going. So my fault. So I changed the. Actually, I'll show you. Oh, that there is what tells this computer the dry moisture of this corn, and I replace this sensor every year, right at the starting, and then by the end it looks like that, and then it doesn't work so good. So when I replace it, I forgot to power the dryer down, and when you do that, it blows another fuse, so they had to come and replace it. Try not to forget to do that again, but it is what it is. So we're going. This is good. Obviously we just started, so we're just drying right back into the wet bin. Once that starts coming down, we will switch this over to our furthest bin. And actually, I'm just going to do a walk around right now. We are going to open doors. We are going to double check everything before we start putting corn in those bins. Because you don't, last thing you want to do is, oh, is a sweep over there. That's, oh, I got a problem. I thought supposed to be there. I forgot to shut that door. First day problems. Gates are closed, sweep is in the right spot. To the next. Same thing, doors are closed, sweep is in the right spot. And then we start putting corn in here. I like to come double check corn is actually going in here, and we'll shut these doors. Also, don't forget that you're doing that because it's a bad day if you don't shut the doors. Okay. So obviously we started the dryer up, and you want to check the sensor calibration, plus we put a sensor in. So we'll see how close it is, 18.3. So, it's actually pretty close, but there we are. Gonna leave everything, press OK, it's doing its thing. We're almost to our target temp. So I'm actually gonna switch it over to, we're gonna switch it over to the bin we want to put it in. we'll get to it. And resume. We're going to switch over to pin 3. There we go. Hey, look, we should be drying corn for the year. So now we've switched her over. There we go. Corn is coming in. What we're gonna remember to do? Shut the door. There we are. Okay, we got that mess kind of cleaned up. Owen just called they're ready for me. I need another set, so I'm gonna run to the back of the farm, bring up a full set. We'll weigh it. Hopefully, everything will just run tickety-boo. So I know in the past I've talked about putting these on a nice line, but they didn't pull this one up far enough to do that. So beside it is. I think we do one more dump to fill. Yep, here we go again. So we'll get some drone shots another day. I just don't have time. Once he gets this load in, I'll be back up to the dryer. Once we get a couple days under our belts, get the rhythm, I'll get some good drone shots. Oh. Oh, when I was younger, I remember pulling all the pins and backing up to all these. It's amazing how a few years you get to a point where you're nice and comfortable again. Tractor hopping is way nicer. And I know, it's a luxury. Well, your sight back again. Okay, well, I think that's all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna start a new video because we are going to do the test plot in a couple hours. So everything's going as smooth as possible. Make sure you like, subscribe, have a good one. Peace.